Hey everybody, welcome to the ReCoop. I'm Cooper Daniels, and I'm a guy that knows a little about a lot. And today we're continuing with the crypto series, and we're talking about China, Bitcoin, and what all that nonsense means for the entire crypto space. So let's get into it. First off, I called my mom. She said we can all move into her basement, so we've got a backup plan. Who's coming with me? No, I think we're going to be okay. I think we're going to be okay. But first, let's just talk. Let's talk about what's happened, okay? This has been wild, a weird fucking week, right? It's been a wild week. China is at it again, and they seem serious this time. You know what I mean? I mean, it's happening this time. Look, a lot of you already know, but about 65% of Bitcoin mining was happening in China. And on Friday, China said all Bitcoin mining operations need to shut down. They ordered the power companies to cut off electricity to Bitcoin miners. It's happening. Bitcoin mining companies are either moving or they're offloading all of their hardware. A bunch of hardware was already shipped to Maryland. They're placing calls, making sure that the laws are enforced with all banks. No crypto transactions are allowed to be facilitated. In 2017, they already banned crypto exchanges and banned ICOs and all that. And now they seem to be serious. They're enforcing the laws and they're kicking out all the miners. So, you know, China is rolling out their own cryptocurrency and they're taking an Uzi to all the competition. That's what China does. If you talk about cryptocurrency on social media in China, you're gonna get banned from that social media site. And you can have your social credit score lowered for engaging in crypto-related activities. What does that mean? Well, that means that you can't get on an airplane. That means you can't have fast internet. That means if you're a dad with bad social credit, your daughter's probably not getting into university. And there's some pretty trivial shit that can lower your score. You could buy too many video games. You could drive poorly. In China, you could drive poorly and get your score lowered. If your dog acts like a dick, in China, they'll take away the dog. China's crazy. You guys are crazy. You're not allowed to watch me. There's one thing left. It is not illegal to own Bitcoin or crypto. It's not illegal to own it. I'm sure that's coming soon, but currently it's not illegal to own it. But they are making it next to impossible to buy it. So, you know, there was a study done in 2020 that said about 30% of all crypto trading was happening in East Asia, which is obviously heavily to do with China. So that's a big blow in purchasing power. But I think other than that, this divorce between Bitcoin and China is hugely bullish. And then you got the United States. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, all offering crypto services to their clients. You've got Greg Abbott in Texas with his arms wide open being like, come to daddy, baby. You got, already have mining operations in Texas from Germany, England, China. Wyoming's also very friendly for this. You got in Texas, you've got the opportunity. Now, obviously, there's some issues with a bunch of Bitcoin miners in Texas because that power grid doesn't seem to be able to handle fucking, me running my air conditioning all night. But theoretically, you would think that they're getting that together. And there is opportunity for Bitcoin miners to get off-grid energy. You have gas venting capture technology in Texas, which is a huge, huge opportunity where you basically just capture emissions and use it as fuel. You got Canada, you have all the news from El Salvador. There is so much happening, and this is an opportunity to completely destroy all of that China FUD, the China centralization FUD, the dirty energy FUD. Look, there's people calling for the end of Bitcoin. It's going to the low 20s. It's not. It's not going to do it. Now, is it going to stay choppy? Maybe. This is, in my opinion, the best thing that could have possibly happened to Bitcoin. And as we all see, Bitcoin, as it goes, everyone else goes as well. I think a lot of maximalists think that Bitcoin is going to be the only one. That's not true. That's over. Stop thinking that. Now, is this going to result in some of the shittier projects being left behind? Some of the shittier projects are going to lose some of the speculation from China. That could hurt. That could hurt some of those crappy coins. But the good projects are going to survive. Guys, the bull market's not done. We're good. This is hard. It's a hard time. You guys We're all, if you're new to cryptocurrency, you're living through one of those moments that soon you're going to look back and be like, wow, thank God I didn't sell. Thank God I bought. You know, whatever your situation is. I think there'll be a couple more opportunities. I don't think Bitcoin's just going straight up. Obviously, it needs to work itself out. Obviously, it's going to take some time for mining operations to expand and to relocate and all that and get the hash rate up and all this stuff. But it's going to happen. Now, this is not investment advice. This could all go to shit. I could be completely wrong about this. But look, I feel like I'm right. What do you guys think? Put it in the comments. Let's talk about it. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching. Do your homework.